Welcome back to Decor, your go-to channel for vintage decorating inspiration. Today, we're diving into vintage color palettes and decorating ideas that can completely transform the mood of every room in your home. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Colors are more than just shades on the wall, they set the tone, bring out emotions, and tell a story. Vintage color palettes, in particular, have a timeless ability to add warmth, charm, and character to your space. Imagine a cozy living room with muted browns, terracotta, and olive greens. These earthy hues create a welcoming atmosphere, perfect for gathering with family and friends. Pair them with natural wood and soft textiles for a truly vintage feel. Vintage bedrooms often shine with pastel palettes, think dusty pinks, powder blues, and mint greens. These gentle shades create a calming, romantic vibe while keeping the room light and refreshing. Deep jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red can turn your dining space into a dramatic and elegant haven. These rich colors not only feel luxurious but also highlight vintage wood furniture beautifully. Classic vintage kitchens often incorporate soft creams, beiges, and buttery yellows. These shades bring a sense of warmth and nostalgia, especially when paired with retro appliances or antique-inspired accessories. A vintage-inspired bathroom can shine with muted blues and soft grays. These tones evoke calmness and serenity, perfect for a spa-like experience with a nostalgic twist. Sometimes all it takes is a splash of color to bring a room to life. Vintage accents like mustard yellow, burnt orange, or teal can highlight architectural details or unique furniture pieces without overwhelming the room. Vintage decorating isn't just about solid colors, it's about mixing florals, stripes, and checks in harmonious palettes. Coordinating these patterns with a cohesive color scheme can instantly elevate your decor. Color works hand in hand with lighting. Warm, golden light enhances vintage palettes and brings out the richness of tones, making the entire room feel cozier and more inviting. Your choice of furniture can make or break the palette. Pair muted tones with rustic wooden furniture, or bold jewel shades with sleek vintage velvet upholstery for a polished, period-inspired look. Vintage palettes can also adapt to the seasons. Soft pastels in spring, vibrant jewel tones in autumn, or creamy whites for winter, all create a mood that flows naturally throughout the year. You don't need an entirely vintage home to enjoy these palettes. Blending vintage colors with modern elements creates a unique balance that feels stylish, personal, and timeless. Vintage color palettes have the power to set the mood in every room, from cozy and nostalgic to bold and elegant. Which palette is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with fellow vintage decor lovers. Thanks for watching Joda Decor. We'll see you in the next one.